Hey everyone, in this video we're going to be implementing a map for our Fox Chase game. Before we get to that, let's talk about the issue from last video. To prevent the player from immediately losing when a Cobra touches them, we want to implement an invulnerability period after the player initially gets hit by a Cobra, so that even if the Cobra is touching the Fox, they don't immediately lose both lives. To do this, we can say that the Fox turns cyan and the Fox becomes empowered for 1 second. Then, in this line, we can specify that when the Cobra touches a cyan Fox and the Fox is not empowered, the Fox loses. This ensures that when a Cobra touches a Fox, the player has a 1 second timer to get away from the Cobra before they can then be hit again. Now, if we get hit by a Cobra, we can run away, but if we get hit again, then we lose. Next, let's implement a map. This can make the game more interesting and prevent scenarios where the Cobras spawn right on top of the player character, resulting in inevitable death. To do that, we can move down to the map down here, and we will be creating a grid of text characters to represent empty spaces or characters on the canvas. To figure out which letter corresponds to which character, we can click here, and this will bring up a list. For now, let's get started on making our map. Dashes represent empty space, so this is a good place to start. Now we can start adding where our rabbits and our cobras should be. Now, when we execute our code, we can see that we have walls on the canvas, and our cobras, rabbits, and fox spawn where we indicated they should. Now we can make sure that the cobras spawn far enough away from the player that we have time to run away, and that the rabbits spawn where they should. However, we have an issue that the player can move through the walls, and so can all of the other characters. Go ahead and fix this issue on your own. We'll cover it next time, but for now, that's all.